learned about Dr. Hynes through an advertisement in a magazine. From that point on, I went to his website and read about my procedure and the expectations for it, and also about the pain pump, which is virtually pain-free surgery. My first consultation with Dr. Hynes was wonderful. He was very much to the point. He told me exactly what I'd be looking for. He didn't use a lot of fillers when he spoke to me. It was all about the realistic expectations of what I was going to be going through, and that was very important to me.
The self-esteem has been a huge issue for me, and just to be able to regain what I feel like is some semblance of myself back after I gave the majority of myself to my children, to having children. You know, you give your body to that whole procedure, and afterwards you just don't get any of that back. So I feel like it has changed my life a huge amount just by the self-esteem issues that I had before. Thank you so much, Dr. Hynes.
We were very impressed with the website, impressed with his experience, and decided to come and check him out. One reason why we also chose Dr. Hynes was because he was board certified, and that was very important to us, that we knew that he was experienced.
And so I called for a consultation and was so impressed by the staff. They were very warm-hearted. They were any question I had, they were happy to answer it. And when I met Dr. Hynes, really liked him. Felt very comfortable with him. Asked him many questions. He answered everything. He began to educate me about what needed to be done. And so that's why he said, I really think that the full face laser would be what would be right for you. Because I am a model, and if I've gotten older, and of course in the sun and the wrinkles, it just seemed like the right thing for me.
With Dr. Hynes, actually I researched Dr. Hynes for 2 years before actually having the procedure. My husband used to work at the hospital, and a lot of doctors had recommended him. I was fearful for a couple of reasons. One was the amount of time that it would take me away from my job, and secondly, the pain that might occur with the actual surgery. But I was able to return to work quickly because of the on-cue pain pump. I would have recommended it to anybody, and I did recommend it to several different people after having the surgery. I would do it again in a minute.